If this is not your wallet, let's fix that and get you this wallet as soon as possible. I will explain you exactly how I went from 200 to 127,000 by launching Memecoins. And to make it even easier, I'm going to create and launch another Memecoin live for you guys, so you can see the process step by step and just copy paste this method. And we're going to launch this Trump looking bird on Radium, and just let me explain you how. Alright guys, I will be very brief about this before I explain the whole method. This is Photon, and as you can see, we're filtered for pump fun. And so many meme coins are being launched every second. So it does not make any sense to launch on pump fun. Now, when you have a look at Radium, as you can see, there are just way less competitors. So buyers will see your coin way faster. And meanwhile, look at the market caps, guys. Look at the market cap, look at the volume. I mean, those are crazy numbers. There is not a single loser at this moment over here. Well, those two, but someone is probably rug pulling over here. So let's see how the big guys do that as well to print insane amounts of money, guys. Alright, so we will start with a fresh Phantom wallet so you guys can see the profit clearly at the end. Now we are in Canva. And you would need a name for your coin and you would need a logo for your coin. And I swear guys, animals do great and politicians do great. In the end, every meme coin will pump with this method, but believe me when I say those two do great. Alright, so what's the trick over here to launch on Radium without any coding, guys? This is sick, because this is launch tool and they allow you to launch your coin onto Radium without any coding. Because imagine that the majority of those people who launch their coin over here, they know how to code, right? So now it's like accessible for you and me as well. So let's connect our wallet over here. And I already launched quite some meme coins, but if you do this for the first time, you will get a few safety notifications in your wallet. Just confirm them and that's it. Okay, so my coin will be named TRUMPBIRD. The token symbol, which is like the ticker, you would just have to make it something like this, TRUMPBIRD, and make it at maximum 8 characters. Just choose a description for your coin. It's a meme coin after all, guys, and upload your logo. There we go, that's TRUMPBIRD. Okay, so those are the token economics, and don't chase these settings, guys. Just keep it like this, 6 decimals, and the total supply should be 1 billion. Now we have the creator information, and this is not necessary, guys. Like I told earlier, just switch it off, save ourselves 0.1 sol. I mean, nobody cares where the meme coin is created, right? So just switch it off, save ourselves this 0.1 sol. Social media links, I never connect any because this method does the marketing itself, right? We launch among other big coins without competitors. Okay, so here we have revoke authorities, and this is an important one. Just keep the settings as they are, guys, because for example, when we look at revoke mint, what does this do, right? Mint authority allows you to mint more supply of your token. So it would not make any sense, in my opinion, to change this, because the buyer wants to feel confident in the end, right? And if the buyer does not feel confident buying your coin, he will not buy your coin. It's easy as that. So now we are going to launch our token. Just click on launch my token. It will wait for the wallet to pop up. Click on confirm on your wallet. Click on proceed anyway over here. Click on confirm again, blah, 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 blah. Tick the box over here. And just a moment, and there we go, guys. Token has been created. Copy the token address over here. And let's have a look at SolScan to see what we just did. And there we go, guys. TRUMPBIRD has been created. You see the name over here. And as you can see, the image came through as well. So that's perfect, guys. This is our token. And let's just pump our token. Okay, so the next thing that we have to do is create a liquidity pool. Because without liquidity pool, nobody can buy our token, right? So the next thing that we're going to do is just click on here, create liquidity pool. And that will bring us to Radium. So now we are on Radium and we just click over here. We want to add our token here. So just make sure that you copied your token address over here on Launch Tool, copy it and paste it over here in the bar. As you can see, the symbol, TRUMPBIRD, and the name as well, TRUMPBIRD. Now we just click on Add User Token, and there we go. There we have TRUMPBIRD, guys. Perfect. Okay, so next thing we have to do, we have to connect our wallet. So just hover over here, click on Connect Wallet, click on your Phantom wallet, and there we go. And remember, we have created 1 billion tokens, guys. So in the liquidity pool, we want 900 million tokens. So just make this 900 million, right? And the next thing that we have to do, add the quote token, which is Solana, of course, right? So just max this out. You can put everything in the liquidity pool because you will not lose your money, guys, because you are basically the first buyer of your coin, right? So no worries, you will not lose your money. So next thing, remember there is a fee, a creation fee of 0.2 SOL. So we're just going to deduct 0.2 SOL of our quote token so we can pay the fee. And let's just put the fee tier on 2%. There we go. And that's it. That's literally everything you have to do to create a liquidity pool. Now we just click on Initialize Liquidity Pool. There we go. Just confirm it over here in your wallet. And that's it. There we go. The pool has been created successfully. So if we go to Photon right now, you can see that TRUMPBIRD is listed officially on Radium, guys. So that's great. Now let's go to DEX Screener because we want to see the chart of our meme coin, right? So let's go to DEX Screener. There we go. Just click on any random coin over there. And now you want to make sure that you copy your token address from Launch Tool and you want to paste it in the URL over here on DEX Screener. So in the URL is dexscreener.com/solana/a token address and just replace it with your token address. And as you can see, here we see the chart of TRUMPBIRD, right? So that's great. And let's adjust it a bit. And as you can see, the liquidity at the moment is $810, right? Yes, $810. And we have some small buys, but those are bots because the amounts are very small. But in a few moments, we will see the buyers coming in, guys, for sure. So let's check our portfolio on Radium. This usually takes a while because we just launched the coin, right? So chill out and wait for the first buy. Alright guys, so we are only 2 minutes in and as you can see, here is our first serious buyer. They bought an amount of $218, which is 1.3 SOL. So that's a great start again on our second meme coin that we're launching live, guys. We are not seeing the liquidity pool over here yet, but like I said, this takes a while. So just keep refreshing it, and let's wait for the next buyer, guys. So far we have one buyer who bought on 1.3 Solana of our coin, and as you can see, new order $30, $33 and 0.2 SOL. Boom, other serious buyer. This one bought for $250, which is about 1.5 Solana, right? Yes, 1.5 Solana. And that's great, guys. We're just starting out. Liquidity is 1.3k. This will update soon. I think there is more liquidity at the moment, to be honest. Like I said, guys, the sick part of this method is that you can just do this method over and over again. You just launch your coin, take your profit, and then you launch your coin again, because you will get listed on Radium, and that's all you need. You don't need to code anything, guys. And that's great. As we can see, $167.01 SOL. This is another buyer 44 seconds ago. That's great. So yeah, like I said, you can just do this method over and over again. $70, this is the last order probably, guys, because I think it's time to remove the liquidity. As you can see, we can finally see our portfolio over here on Radium. And yeah, let's just put this money inside our wallet. Remember, this is for educational purposes, so you know how the big guys make the money. We just click on the minus over here. And we just slide the slider all the way up to 100%. We click on remove liquidity and click on confirm in your wallet. And boom, there we go, guys. Remove liquidity confirmed. Now this is my favorite moment, as you guys all know. click on the wallet, and boom, there you see $1,100 in our wallet. Again, we did it again, guys. So this is the second video that I make on this channel, and as you can see, guys, this method is just straight up printing. Like the first video, we just printed like $600 in 20 minutes. Now we do it again, and we do this over and over and over again, guys. Do with it what you want, but I swear this is one sick method to print money. So take advantage of this method while it lasts, guys, because those things, they never last forever. If you have any questions, just join my free Telegram group below and I'll see you there.